everyone. If you have been hearing a lot about AI and wondering how to actually use it in your daily work, this course is for you. Let me introduce AI for Business Professionals, a course under digital business skill created by HP Life. It's a self-paced course, takes less than 60 minutes and is designed to help professionals use AI practically, not theoretically. Before we dive in, I just want to give a small introduction about myself. I'm Dr. Gomati and this is my channel Goms Tech Talk. So here you can find a lot of useful informations about AI, how you can use AI, various tools for your professional development, research and everything. You can find a lot more in my playlist. So let's get back to the today's topic, that is AI for Business Professionals by HP Life. And the best part here in this course is what you will receive a certificate on completion, joining over 57,000 learners worldwide. Why this course is really interesting? Because nowadays AI is everywhere, and being a professional, it is good that you also learn AI and various tools where you can work in your daily life. You can see here that this is a certification where it is not more than 60 minutes. It's a self-paced certification, like whenever you are free, whenever you get time, you can just go ahead and learn this. And it is a digital business skill. The language they are delivering is only on English, and this is the author and this is the course code. I'll show you how to enroll. Before that, I'll just dive into the overview of this particular course. So, as we all know, AI is no longer optional. Whether you work in a marketing, operations, communication, education, or management, AI can help you save time, make better decisions, improve productivity, and grow your career. But the real question is, how do you choose the right AI tools and use them effectively? That's exactly what this course answers. In this course, you will learn how to understand the role of AI in modern business and why it's critical for professional growth. Identify the difference between standalone AI tools and AI features integrated into business application. Apply AI in real world scenarios like marketing, communication, and operations. Write effective prompts to get a better results from tools like ChatGPT and Canva. You can create a professional AI adoption plan with clear measurable goals and use AI ethically, focusing on privacy, transparency, and fairness. This is not just about tools, it's about using AI responsibly and strategically. So you can see here that this is what the course exactly shows you, and you can see this course offers a proper adaptability, relevance, and certification. Now, let us go and explore what are the lessons they are just having it in this. So you have introduction module, standalone AI tools, tools with integrated AI features, implementation next step, courses like conclusion, survey and resources. So you have all these modules, and then you can also view this offline. If you wanted to download the HP Life mobile app, you can download it using this. If you are using an iPhone, you can download it from here, or if you are using an Android, you can download from the Android store. Now, let us see how to install it. Okay, like how to enroll this particular course and see. So you can see here there is an enroll button here. Just click on this enroll. So once you click, it will ask you to log in or sign up. We are just logging in for the first time. So you can either go ahead with the sign up, or else you can also log in using your email ID or a LinkedIn profile or whatever it may be. So let me just go ahead with my LinkedIn profile. The same thing goes with, your email and everything. You can simply give your access, just to give the email ID and the password if you're trying to log in via Gmail. Or else you can even try it with the, so here you got it. So this is the name, and you can see this is the country. So it's mandatory, you have to give the country here. Okay, so it's India, and I just want to give the name, gender. How did you hear about the thing? So you can just go ahead with the online search or social media or YouTube or other. So I'm just giving social media, and then please update me on HP Life and News Events and click save. So your profile is saved here. Now it will take you to the exact course. So here it's done. You have to just click enroll here. Just if you click enroll, it will take you to the course. You can see that on the right side you have the introduction. Just click start. It will allow you to start, and it's all about, like introduction, what is the split node, you must complete each lessons requirements and everything, and click continue. And then this is the table of content. You can see introduction, standalone AI tools and everything. This is your introduction, so you have to simply play this.
Here, and it's already transforming businesses of every size. But what does that?
If you wanted to see the captions, you can just enable this here. Okay, and other than that, if you wanted to make it bigger, then you can just click here.
That mean for you as a student or as a business professional? Here's the deal. AI is like having a smart, tireless assistant at your side. One that can automate repetitive tasks, help you make smarter decisions, and expand your professional toolkit. And the best part? You don't need a PhD in computer science to use it. In this first module, we'll break down two main types of AI tools for business professionals. Standalone tools that are ready to use right out of the box, like ChatGPT and Claude, and integrated features built into software you already use, like Canva, Google's Gemini, or Microsoft 365 Copilot. Why does this matter? Because most of us have only limited time, energy, and budgets. AI isn't just another gadget. It's a game changer that can boost speed, precision, leadership, and change how you approach your career. It's about doing more, doing it smarter, and yes, saving some of your sanity in the process. So, let's dive in and explore how AI can work for you. By the end of this course, you'll see the possibilities and maybe even feel excited to get started. Let's go.
So we have almost completed the first thing, like the first introduction part, and once if you click continue, you can see it will take you to the next one, the role of the modern business. So we are still in the introduction part. Okay, so this is AI is no longer futuristic. You can see here. You can even click why AI is essential for business growth. It will take you to this particular thing. Okay, and you can completion of advantages of AI, essential, competitive, all these things you can find it out here. So you can learn from this what is this, and then if you click this, it will ask you, it will take you to this. And once if you click continue, we are still in introduction. Okay, you can see it's a type of AI tools for business professionals. You can see this is a standalone tool and tools which are integrated. So you can see here that this is large language model, and this is DAL-E. What is this DAL-E? And you have Canva Magic Studio, you have Gemini and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Okay, so once it is done, you can just click continue. Still we are in the introduction, and the best part is what, for everything, every module you have quiz. So let us just go ahead with that. What is the primary benefit of using AI tools for business professionals? AI tools do not benefit individuals. No, it's not the right answer. AI tools can help automate repetitive tasks and save time. Yes. AI tools are only useful for large corporations. No. AI tools reduce the need of all human employees. No. So B is correct. Then which of the following is a standalone AI tool? It's a Canva Magic, Gemini for Workspace, ChatGPT, and Microsoft 365 Copilot. So which one we saw? Okay, so standalone tool comes into, like you can see. So ChatGPT is the right answer. Then let's just proceed. True or false? AI tools should only be used by tech professionals in software development. No, it's used by everyone. It's correct. So this is your introduction quiz. Okay, so it's an automate, and it's like a ChatGPT is the right answer, and finally it's false. Okay, and if you just click on this continue, then you can see the module summary of this, and then once you complete this, you can see that the introduction part, it is showing a tick symbol. Okay, likewise you have to complete entire thing, and once you complete, you can also see the progress on the top. Okay, so it is also showing the progress. So don't wait, just go ahead and start learning this. You will get a certificate where you can add it in your resume. So HP Life courses are designed with three strong principles like adaptability, relevance, and certification. If you are a professional looking to work smarter with AI, make better decisions, and stay future ready, enroll in the AI for Business Professionals course today. Comment below if you want the link, and comment below once you complete the course. I'll be happy to see you all progressing in learning AI. I'll meet you soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.